Come live in your own Garden of Eden. Totally remodeled 4/3 home with all the upgrades. Open floor plan with fireplace, screen porch, front ranch-style porch. Gorgeous approximate 9 acre of landscaping on your own large lake stocked with tilapia. Image sitting on a hill looking at the lake from your gazebo, with majestic oaks and gardens that would be perfect for wedding venues. Not mention a 6-stall barn, studio, green pastures fenced and cross-fenced. Large separate shed for upstairs workshop. Second power pole, septic and well. New tile floors, remodeled bathroom, metal roof approximately 3 years old. No HOA, all in small town USA. 1 hour to beaches, Orlando, Daytona or St Augustine. Live here, relax and live longer.